All right, I'm fit to get ready to get in my Toyota Tundra. It's a 2007. I've had this thing for about 10 or 12 years. But I'm gonna show you a compartment that I noticed that's in my truck. I didn't notice it before. But when you get inside your truck and you look here to the right, no, it's kind of dirty. I'm gonna get it detailed one day. You open this up. There you have this compartment. But what I found out that you can lift this straight up. I'm gonna move this out the way. Lift this straight up. And there you go. You have another compartment under there. So if you don't know, it's so well put together. When you put this on, you really can't tell that you can lift that up until you actually grab it and just pull on it a little bit and it comes right up. And if you look at this, you have those little hooks and it comes out really easy. Just snaps into place. So as you can see, I just keep a little money under there just in case I need some extra change. If somebody come in here, they really can't see it unless they looking from the side, reach under. You can just pull this straight up. All right, have a great day and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.